Hi, and welcome to the online presentation for the BA in Education with QTS. If you clicked on this link, then I suspect you want to become a teacher. Well, you're in the right place. It's an exciting time in terms of educational developments here in Wales, and we're at the cusp of a new curriculum, and our course is brand new and has been designed in accordance with those changes. Another great aspect of the course is that we are working closely with schools to ensure links between theory and practice. So some of your lectures will be delivered at Bangor University, and some of your lectures will be delivered at your lead school. In terms of A-level entry requirements, we are asking ideally for 120 UCAS points. But it's worth remembering that we are in a position to look at strong applications that may be a little below that as well. Now, moving on to GCSE requirements, the usual GCSE grades required to be accepted are B in Maths, B in English, and C in Science. However, due to the COVID-19 situation this year, we are able to offer you a place with C grades in Maths and English, providing that you can gain your B grade or equivalent during the 3-year course. If you decide to follow the course, we are very committed to ensuring that you are fully supported. Staff are dedicated in ensuring that you have the best experience both academically and personally. So hopefully you can see that this is a great course to follow if you want to become a teacher. So hopefully we can see you in September. Thank you.